don't want to flush it. Can you flush it from that end and I'll just grab it? Because there's a bunch of stuff over here. That's a nice little way up though. Yeah, no, I don't want it to go down the drain. Oh, it's right there by the barbecue. Almost. It's when there's not enough pressure, it gets pinched. There's still a pinch in it. Right there. Yeah, it's... Once all the pressure gets through the hose, it doesn't get pinched through. I don't see... Is there... It might be another one right there. Yeah, and then that drain below us drains into that. No, it's by me. Yeah, no, it's really nice out. Now that lower one right underneath us, I think we could flush from up here. And then when we get down there, I can push it off the ladder. Oh yeah, it's all the way down there. There's another screw. No, I know. No, it's not even, it wasn't the shingle. It's just where it is. What?
I'm down here.
What? I gotta go with that in. Give me the bucket.
There's no tree. So most likely it's not going to be a problem. Most likely I can use if you had years of, trees falling in there. Okay, there's no tree. Oh, it's a townhouse. Are you having any issues? Is the water overflowing? All right, yeah. So I should use the blower. The roof. Okay. I'll take pictures and I'll send them to you if you want to this, and then I'll take care of it. All right. So I'll be there on Monday. So if nobody's gonna be home, if I can get over there on Friday.
I'm gonna than not. It's the dirt. The dirt gets in a little pod and then it's growing. That's it.